Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to easily turn on or off HDR on your Xbox Series S. So all you need to do is you need to open up settings, and then when you're in settings, navigate to TV and display options, click on this one, then you're going to see right here, video modes, click on this, and you'll be brought to this page. So you can see auto HDR, allow HDR10, all that good stuff. If you are able to navigate to those areas, you could turn HDR on or you can turn it off. If these areas are grayed out like they are for me, this means your TV or the HDMI cable you're using does not support HDR. So let's say your TV supports HDR, but these options are grayed out. All you need to do is just make sure you're using the same HDMI cable which comes with your Xbox Series S. Plug that in directly to the TV. If you're using any adapters, to pass HDMI input, that may also cause HDR to stop working. Just make sure the HDMI cable goes from the Xbox Series S directly to the TV if your TV supports HDR, but you're not seeing the toggle available. In my instance, I'm using an Elgato to record. That's the reason why I don't see HDR, because the Elgato's taking my HDMI input and then it's outputting that through an adapter, and that adapter is disabling HDR. And really, that's all there is to it. If you are following this tutorial and you think your TV supports HDR, but you plug in your HDMI cable directly, it's the official Xbox Series S cable, and HDR isn't showing up, that simply means that you may think that your device supports HDR, but it doesn't. So really, not much you can do there. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.